everyone! I've got a fun challenge for you today. But first, let's see the mood. It's night time and I'm all set for an exciting story in my tent. Are you ready for an adventure? Oh no! Hey, the lights went out. But that's okay, because we're going to make this story even more exciting. Remember what happened when I opened my book? Yeah. Words float up above my head. But wait, hey, something's missing. I can't see some words. Can you help me find them? Before we start, let's quickly remember the object pronouns. Yeah, here they are. Me, you, him, her, it, you, us, and them. They help us talk about people and objects or places in our stories. Let's complete this story. Alex and Mia are in the snowy forest. They find an old map and each excited. Oh, okay. There's a missing spot that we need to fill out. But which pronoun though? I think it's him. Oh no, that's not it. Let's try again. Alex and Mia, a boy and a girl together. So, yes, them, because it's they both. Great. And look at the lights. Good job, everyone. Let's continue. They decide to follow the clues on... another blank. What's the right pronoun? Let's read again. They decide to follow the clues on where? At the map. So it's it, because map is an object. They decide to follow the clues on it. Soon they come across the frozen lake. Hey, more lights! I love it. Great. They decide to walk on. Again we have a blank. They decide to walk where? Oh yes, on the lake. So it's a place and we need to put the pronoun it again. They decide to walk on it. Yeah, more lights. Great. What a surprise. They discover a chest buried in the snow. They open blank and find shiny treasures that amaze blank. Okay. So here we need to find the two pronouns that are missing. But which ones are they? They open. What are they opening? The chest, right? So it's an object. That means the first pronoun is it. They open it and find shiny treasures that amaze who? The boy and the girl. So they both, them. Great. That amaze them. Well done. They are very happy and the adventure brings them closer together. Great. I love it. And how many lives? Super nice. We did it. You all did an amazing job. And we've completed the story. As well as we light up this beautiful tent. I hope you had fun.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello everyone. Okay, let's keep learning today with the indirect object pronouns. And we have in here this clear example. I like bananas, right? I like bananas. You can give them to me. Yes, you can give the bananas to me. Yes, so this is the right subject, the subject pointing the receptor. Yes, so what are the object pronouns? We have them here: me, you, him, her, it, you, us, and them. See that this you is for plural, like more than one, and this is just for singular, okay, the person we're talking to. Let's do this activity, and we need to put all these object pronouns into this text. Alex and Mia are in the snowy forest. They find an old map and it excites, Alex and Mia, remember the subject. So it excites them. Well done. They decide to follow the clues on the map, but we don't say on the map. We need to say on me, no, on the map, it, object. So on it. Soon they come across a frozen lake and they decide to walk on the lake. Again, the lake is a place, it's not a person. So it is for objects, animals, and places. So that means we put it here. What a surprise! They discover a chest buried in the snow and they open the chest, again an object, so everything is about it. They open it and find shiny treasures that amaze Alex and Mia, that amazes them. They are very happy and the adventure brings them closer together. Yes? So see that the only object pronouns we used in this text were it and them. It for objects, animals, and places, and them for people. Yes, not including me, not including you, people like more than one. Yes? So this is it. Remember, you have a happy face here. So what you can do is you go back into the last page. You go to the last page here. To the last page, you cut a happy face and you can stick it here. Yes, activity 2. Well done, guys.